My Craving Series, Episode 3.
Taste test. Hey guys, it's Sailor Moon. Hehee. Welcome to my channel. Crispy, crunchy, fried chicken wings. Okay, let me stop. Watch me cook. Welcome to my Craving Series, Episode 3. In today's video, I'm gonna be making some fried chicken, like a real good, crispy, juicy, nice colored fried chicken. Fried chicken wings. Y'all gonna watch me do my thing. I got the wings right here. So y'all already know the drill. I'm gonna clean my meat, and if you don't, you do you, okay? That is not my business. That is not my business what you do in the kitchen and what you do with your meat and stuff. Epi, that's it. Who doesn't love a good icy cold water? Ooh. That is hitting the spot. Yeah. I got my bowl here. I'm gonna throw these chicken wings in there and I'm gonna start cleaning that thing up. These are the chicken wings. I ran out of lime, so I'm gonna be using lemon to clean them. And I'm just gonna squirt, first, I like to squirt all of the juice in here first and then start, cleaning, scrubbing it up. This is how your lime or your lemon is supposed to look when you're done cleaning. Because if it don't look like this, then child, I don't know what you was cleaning. Now that the wings are clean, I'm gonna start pat drying them. All right. I got some Saiyla seasoning. Garlic powder, onion powder, some paprika, some Italian seasoning, Now I'm gonna grab 2 eggs and some hot sauce. And eggs is a must. I'm gonna throw some hot sauce in there. And y'all already know, for those that know, the hot sauce don't make it spicy or hot. It doesn't. So once you fry it and combine it and everything, it's not gonna do nothing to the chicken. This is about to be good. The way I like it, the way my man likes it. I don't have any gloves, y'all. I don't have gloves, and I really hate to dig my fingers and stuff into this. I don't want to, because it's gonna take me a minute to clean all the dirt off my nails, but I gotta do what I gotta do. So this is how it looked after everything is done mixing. So we're gonna let this thing marinate for at least 30 minutes to an hour. I'm gonna let it marinate for an hour, but at least give it 30 minutes, something. I'm gonna put it in the fridge and cover this thing up. We're gonna let this thing hibernate. This is about to be a masterpiece. I got some flour and I got some cornstarch. That's 1 cup of flour. And I'm gonna do like 1/3 of cornstarch. Ooh! Oh my gosh, what the heck? Just getting messy. And this is 1/3 of cornstarch. Look how things got messy this quick. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit on the chicken wings. Just a little bit. So I put a little bit in here and I'm gonna mix it all up. I'm gonna add a little bit more flour in here because this ain't enough flour. I just realized this ain't enough flour. So I'm gonna add like a 1/3 of flour into the bowl. Mix it back up. Gotta get my hands dirty again, y'all. I almost forgot, I gotta season the flour mixture. Y'all, I'm excited because this is about to be a masterpiece. All right, so now that we got the chicken and the flour mixture, now it's time for us to coat it. I'm just lightly coating it. All right, these bad boys are ready to fry. My mama taught me this trick. If you go like this and it starts frying and sizzling, that means the oil is hot and whatever it is that you're trying to fry is ready to fry. All right. Now the second half is frying. Now this is how the first half looks. This looks so good. Oh my gosh.
Do y'all see the color, the texture, the crispiness? Just from looking at it, you already know it's seasoned to the T, okay? That thing is juicy. Y'all can't tell me this don't look good right now. This is what you call a fried chicken wing.
The first half is done frying. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Got them a little,
Oh my gosh. Look at this masterpiece.
Taste test. It is so good. But it's missing some hot sauce, so I'm gonna put some hot sauce on it. There we go. Oh my gosh. When I tell y'all, this tastes so good. I'm gonna go finish this chicken and I'm gonna see y'all on the next episode. Bye. For now. Hee hee.